Good morning, my best friend ever, Binoo. Isn't it a wonderfully wonderful day? Binoo, do you want to go and visit Mr. Elephant and play Red Banana Bubblegum Bounce? Or maybe we could go and play some fabulous music with Mr. Caterpillar. Or we could... Binoo, what is it? Are you not feeling fabulous? Well, what can it be, Binoo? It's a beautiful day and the sun is shining. I know. Did you have a good sleep, Binoo? Oh, you did? Well, then, did you have lots of good dreams, Binoo? Oh, me too. Well, then how about... Aha! Did you have a yummy breakfast? You did? Oh. Well, then, I'm all out of questions, Binoo. Binoo, you're wearing your power PJs. Well, you should be feeling fabulous. Oh, do you remember the first time you wore your power PJs? You were... Binoo, look! Your power PJs have lost a button. Is that what you've been trying to tell me? Oh, Binoo, what are we going to do? Binoo, what are you doing? You can't lift me. No more superpowers. And no more super flying. Binoo, without that button, your PJs have lost all their superpowers. Oh, but don't worry. We'll find your button. Now, where did you lose it? Well, let's start looking here. No. How about... no, aha! Not here either, Binoo. Oh. Binoo, I have a fabulous idea. Captain Toopy and his most fabulous friend, Binoo, are off to find that button! Towels all towely. Soap all soapy. Ducky aboard. Vroom, vroom, and zoom! Whoa! La, la, la. Looking for a button. La, la, la. Looking over here. No button here, Binoo. What is it, Binoo? Oh, hi, Mr. Snake. Binoo, we don't have time for playing games right now. We have to find your button. La, la, la. Looking for a button. Binoo, I'm looking for your button right now. Do you think it's over there? Woo! Wow, Binoo, do you think your button is in here? Hello, Mr. Button, are you in there? Banana mint tea. Oh, hey, Mr. Snake. Binoo, Mr. Snake is playing with something. Let's go see. Excuse me, Mr. Snake. My best friend Binoo and I are looking for a button that we lost from his power PJs. It's a small blue button with 4 holes in it, and it's a beautiful button. Binoo, what is going on? Binoo, look at me, Binoo. I'm doing it. I'm bouncing a button. Watch this, Binoo. I'm bouncing the button. I'm the best button bouncer in the world, Binoo. It's like being in the circus. Oh, that was great. Oh, one more. Come on. Binoo, you're right. That's your power PJs button. Oh, Mr. Snake. We need that button back. We've been looking everywhere for it. Thank you, Mr. Snake. Oh, this is great, Binoo. We've got the button back. Let's go home, and I'll sew it back on. Goodbye, Mr. Snake.
buttons all buttony on your power PJs. Now your fabulous superpowers are back! I'm so glad I found your button, Binoo. Nighty-night. Binoo? Binoo? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Mr. Power PJs, Binoo, do you think you could put the bed down, please, so that we can get some sleep? Easy, easy. Nighty-night, Binoo.